Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to crochet class number 10, How to Turn Your Work. Is there a right way to turn your work? Yes, there actually is, but it only really matters if you are going to be working into your chain at the end of a row. So you want to do your turning chain before you turn your work, just so your stitches all line up and they're all pretty. And then slide your hand underneath your working yarn, grab your work, and turn it. If you do it that way, when we get back to our chain, or we're working into our chain at the end of the row, our pretty V's will be facing us, and it's a lot easier to work into that chain. So let me just get to the end of this row, and I'll show you how easy it is to work into that chain. So to work into that chain, all we have to do is look for this loop right here. And it's facing us, it's so easy. So now we just can pop our hook straight onto that loop and into that chain. And that gives us 2 strands of that chain on the top of our hook without even having to worry about it. It's just waiting for us. So that is why you have to turn your work by putting your hand underneath your working yarn. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little class. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on another quick and easy tutorial just like this. Have a super great day. We'll see you in the next class, and stay hooked.